Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Huron Breeze, the Huron Men's Face Wash. This is not just any face wash. It's a daily deep facial cleanser and mild exfoliator designed specifically for men who want a clean, conditioned, and hydrated complexion with a subtle energizing scent. Right off the bat, what sets this face wash apart is its clean, sulfate-free formula that respects your skin while giving it a thorough cleanse. It gently removes dirt, oil, and impurities that build up throughout the day without stripping away your skin's natural moisture. That means no tightness or dryness after washing, just fresh, smooth skin. Now, the scent is a refreshing blend of clean peppermint, invigorating citrus, and energizing juniper. It's subtle, so it won't overpower your senses or clash with any cologne you wear. It's like a fresh morning breeze for your face, perfect for waking you up. What's really impressive is that this face wash doubles as a gentle exfoliator. Using plant-based cleansers and natural exfoliants like bamboo powder and superfruit enzymes, it works to remove dead skin cells, smooth your skin's surface, and clear out clogged pores. This helps prevent those annoying breakouts and keeps your skin looking healthy and polished. Despite the exfoliation, the formula is mild enough for everyday use, even if you have sensitive skin. The addition of soothing ingredients like aloe and cactus extract helps calm and hydrate your skin, while glycerin locks in moisture, so your face stays soft and balanced after every wash. It's suitable for all skin types, whether your skin is dry, irritated, or acne-prone. Another big plus is that Huron commits to using only the good stuff. This face wash contains no parabens, sulfates, phthalate, silicones, or aluminum. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free, proudly made in the USA with globally sourced ingredients. Plus, it comes in fully recyclable packaging, making it a great choice if you care about sustainability. The packaging itself is convenient and travel-friendly, with a 5.1-ounce bottle that fits easily into your daily routine. Whether you're at home or on the go, it's designed to keep your skincare simple but effective. To sum it up, the Huron Men's Face Wash offers a powerful yet gentle cleanse combined with mild exfoliation and skin conditioning. Its fresh, natural scent and clean ingredients make it an excellent option for men who want a no-nonsense, effective skincare product that respects their skin and the planet. If you're looking to elevate your daily skincare routine with a product that cleans deeply, conditions well, and keeps your skin hydrated and fresh, the Huron Men's Face Wash is definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.